A pale blue planet, silent and cold, drifting through the outer solar system. But Uranus is one of the strangest planets we know. Unlike most planets, Uranus does not spin upright. It rolls around the sun on its side. Its axis is tilted so much that the planet looks almost knocked over. This one detail changes almost everything about Uranus. Its seasons, its sunlight, its atmosphere, even the way we imagine day and night on this distant world. Uranus may look simple, but it is not normal. It is the planet that rolls through space. Most planets spin like tilted tops. Earth is tilted too, and that tilt gives us seasons. But Uranus is different. Its tilt is extreme. Instead of spinning with its poles mostly up and down, Uranus rotates almost sideways. It is as if the planet was pushed over long ago and never stood back up. Scientists are not completely sure why this happened. One idea is that Uranus may have been hit by a massive object early in its history. That collision could have tilted the entire planet. Whatever the cause, the result is one of the weirdest rotations in the solar system. Uranus does not simply orbit the sun, it rolls. Because Uranus is tilted on its side, its seasons are extreme. A year on Uranus lasts about 84 Earth years. That means each season lasts around 21 years. But near the poles, the effect is even stranger. For part of Uranus's orbit, one pole faces the sun for decades, while the other pole points into darkness. Imagine a world where the sun does not rise and set every day like it does on Earth. Instead, one region can experience years of sunlight, while another region waits in darkness. This makes Uranus feel almost alien compared to Earth. Its calendar is not just different, its entire experience of time and light is different. Uranus is often called an ice giant, but that does not mean it is a giant ball of solid ice. Like Neptune, Uranus is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, with heavier compounds such as water, ammonia, and methane deeper inside. Methane in the upper atmosphere helps give Uranus its blue-green color. It absorbs red light and reflects blue-green light back into space. From far away, that color makes Uranus look smooth and peaceful. But underneath that calm appearance is a massive planet with deep layers, pressure, cold, and strange chemistry. Uranus is also one of the coldest planets in the solar system. It receives very little sunlight, and unlike Neptune, it does not seem to release much internal heat. That makes Uranus even more mysterious, a cold, sideways, blue world far from the sun. Saturn is famous for its bright rings, but Uranus has rings too. They are much darker, thinner, and harder to see. Instead of shining brightly, Uranus's rings are made of dark material that blends into the space around them. The planet also has many moons. Some of them are named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. These moons orbit a planet that is already strange enough on its own, but the Uranian system is still not well understood. Only one spacecraft has ever flown past Uranus. Voyager 2 visited it in 1986, giving us our first close look at this distant planet. Since then, Uranus has remained one of the least explored major planets, a world we have seen only briefly, and still barely understand. Uranus is not the loudest planet. It does not have the giant storms of Jupiter. It does not have the famous rings of Saturn. And it does not look as dramatic as Neptune. But Uranus may be one of the strangest worlds in the solar system. A planet tilted almost completely on its side. A place where seasons last for decades. A cold ice giant with dark rings, hidden moons, and unanswered questions. It looks calm, but everything about it is unusual. And that is what makes Uranus so fascinating. It reminds us that even the quietest looking planets can hide strange stories. Far from the sun, rolling through the darkness, Uranus remains one of the most mysterious planets we have ever seen.